Attention all men. Are you looking to drive a woman wild and leave a lasting impression? Look no further. In this video, we'll be revealing the top 10 traits that women find irresistible in a man. From confidence to a sense of humor, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to become the ultimate catch, make sure to hit that play button and take notes. Number 1. Confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits in a man. Women are drawn to men who are self-assured and comfortable in their own skin. They want to be with someone who can handle life's challenges and make decisions with ease. Confidence gives a man a sense of stability and security, which is appealing to women. Number 2. Honesty. Honesty is crucial in any relationship. Women appreciate a man who's truthful and straightforward. They don't want to be with someone who's constantly hiding things or lying. Honesty builds trust and allows a relationship to grow and flourish. Number 3. Sense of humor. Women love to laugh, and a man with a great sense of humor is a huge turn-on. A man who can make a woman laugh and lighten up the mood is a huge plus. A good sense of humor can also help diffuse tense situations and bring a couple closer together. Number 4. Intelligence. Intelligence is attractive to women. They want to be with someone who they can have intellectual conversations with and who can challenge them in a good way. Women appreciate a man who's knowledgeable and well-informed on a variety of topics. Number 5. Kindness. Kindness is a trait that can't be underestimated. Women are attracted to men who are compassionate and empathetic toward others. They want to be with someone who has a big heart and is always willing to help those in need. A kind and caring man is a true catch. Number 6. Ambition. Ambition is a trait that appeals to women. They want to be with someone who has goals and aspirations and is driven to succeed. A man who's motivated and has a strong work ethic is attractive to women because he's more likely to achieve his goals and provide for his family. Number 7. Good listener. Good communication is essential in any relationship. Women appreciate a man who takes the time to listen to their thoughts and feelings and is truly interested in what they have to say. A man who's a good listener is more likely to have a successful relationship because he knows that he values his partner's opinions and thoughts. Number 8. Good manners. Good manners never go out of style. Women appreciate a man who has manners and shows respect toward others. A man who's well-mannered is more likely to be a gentleman, and that's a trait that women find attractive. Number 9. Strong work ethic. Women are attracted to men who have a strong work ethic and are dedicated to their careers. They want to be with someone who's responsible and takes their responsibilities seriously. A man who works hard is more likely to provide for his family and achieve his goals, making him a desirable partner. Number 10. Romance. Women love a man who's romantic. A small gesture, like bringing her flowers or cooking her dinner, can go a long way in making her feel special and appreciated. Romance shows that a man is thoughtful and attentive, and that's a huge turn-on for women. A romantic man is more likely to keep the spark alive in a relationship, making it more exciting and enjoyable. So, there you have it, folks, the 10 traits that drive a woman wild. If you have any of these traits, then you're already ahead of the game. If not, don't worry, these traits can be developed over time. Just remember to always be confident, honest, have a great sense of humor, be intelligent, kind, ambitious, a good listener, have good manners, have a strong work ethic, and be romantic. And ladies, if you're looking for a man who has these traits, then you're in luck. Keep your eyes open, and you'll find the perfect man in no time. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great content like this. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.